Good morning. Uh, the amplifier sound Alaska playing neighbors, bachelor's team playing high volume music songs, beating drums, etc. tantamounts to Environment Protection Act punishment, noise pollution regulation and control rules. Therefore, here is a case wherein AR 2022 Bombay 259 Goa bench. Villa Kalangetu Resort versus State of Goa. Therein, they seems to have played loud music through Alexa. Alexa is a somewhat robot machine which if you command it will play songs. So the authorities issued show cause notice, and that was challenged before the High Court of Goa bench of Bombay. See, the High Court held that this is absolutely correct. That has to be dealt by authority by measuring the pollution. Therefore, show cause notice issued by enforcing noise pollution rules 2000. The show cause notice and the other complaint must be inquired into. This is what the judgment of the Bombay High Court of Goa bench. Kindly AR 2022 Bombay 259 Villa Kalangut Resort Limited, State of Goa. Best wishes.